I've got more viewers than Shroud. Damn, look at us go. We've grown so far. Honestly, this background music, surprisingly a bop. What did we name our Hoggen. And your last name? Hoggen champion. I should probably say this. School is known for one thing in particular. Being full of birds. I'm often asked why I choose to come here despite not being a bird. Wait, am I actually a human in a school of birds? No. No. Oh, bad. It's a long... Ryuta? It's a bird. Can I pet the bird? It makes me more uncomfortable that I'm a human dating birds than if I were a bird dating a bird. Why am I not a bird? Why am I not a bird? Good morning, everybody. Only pain. Only pain. Huh? Sir, where is he? He said he's going to the infirmary. Maybe we should go and see if he's still there. Is he dead? He always did have a weak heart. Oh, he's dead. He really is dead. This man doesn't even have a... What? Don't do anything. Join the... No. Oh, I can choose. I can't run. I can't read. I hate kids. Never worry, never fear. Oko-san never brings up the rear. Eh? Eh? Swift, thank you. I'll carry this warning in my pigeon heart forever. What's the lifespan of a pigeon? There is a bamboo tree. My mother stay healthy and my stomach get better. Valid, valid. Can you hear this?
Love, the cacks are here.
Oh no. Oh no. Hey Holly. Hey everyone. Ah, we're dating birds. It's not good. I'm so sorry you have to see this. Wait. He's about to escape into the grave. I didn't even... oh, I'm giving him the beans. I like him. Did I get a trace in this? So please, here. Such beautiful beans. He's thankful. He likes me. Everyone. He likes me too. Yes! I've beat the game. He devours the beans. Nothing special this semester, nothing to worry about. That's ominous. There must be something to worry about. As you can see, she was meant to act as a goodwill ambassador. She fails to display sufficient intimacy with the birds. We at the Hawk Party cannot overlook the situation. These reports only confirm what we already knew of human nature. We will execute the termination sequence. Adjourned. Coffee, anyone? I love watching the stars at night. I can feel the excitement bringing the light years away. Yodelay-hoo. Huh? I think I just heard something. I'm dead. Who's there? Ninjas? You need to know. It'll all be over in 2 seconds. Eek! Ah! Ah! Happy Valentine's, guys. It really goes to show, as soon as you're happy, you've reached a relationship, you like someone and they like you back, then you die. Yeah, I accept. I accept. Oh, it hurts. Can I be hit by a car? Oh, yeah, I can. You see those footworks? Oh, damn. Me and Dead by Daylight. Whoosh. Oh, he's fucking dead. Oh. The evil witch's plan has been foiled. The child can swim. Well, actually, it does not seem like he knows how to swim. I take it back, he's dead. It's all over. She always did have a weak heart. Oh my god, you don't just say that in front of the kid as she's like clutching her heart. Good lord.
Oliver, sweetie.
No, she's not dead.
Oh, sweetie.
She always did die.
Mr. Drippy, she disappeared again.
Huh? Who did?
Your mom.
That strange girl. That's the second time she... We can do this!
He's spanking himself with his tail. Oh, it's stealing my soul.
Tidy work, Ollie boy. Look at that. A warrior from your very own heart.
Oh, he's adorable.
This is a familiar?
That's right. The fighting spirit inside you made flesh. A soldier of your soul.
That is exactly what my soldier of my soul would look like.
That was a mean trick.
I said furry, Andy, not furry. Furry. I feel like lockdown is both simultaneously. I've disappeared. I am dead. Where have I gone? Well, goodbye, cruel world. I've lost my camera.
The bits we're made up of? I don't understand.
Pee in the jar.
Just give it a go. You'll soon work it out, man.
Oh, child. Did you say pee-pee time? Oh no. Oh god, oh fuck. Run away. Stop being. I do have a spare moment. I have many. A whole day of them, if you will. Why is Drippy like twerking on my leg? Oh, he's humping my leg. Oh, what a bad pet. Can I kick him off? Be free. Get out of me. If I were a child, where would I be? Any children drowning in the water? Nope. Huge favor. Oh, she wants my stinky old clothes. That's not weird. Fish! Fish! How do I fish? They didn't teach me how to fish! Fish! That red thing? No. He said he was heading to the palace. There was no water by the palace. I'm stupid. Wait, there is water, but... Ah, dead boy water. Don't mind me. I'm gonna drown some kids. Is it not just dead? Will it drown? The opposite of drown? Breathe? I don't know. Can I just like TP anywhere? Or do I have to pick a super secret hiding spot? Okay, I can just TP anywhere. Lol, bye. What? You're too weak to have a familiar child. Okay. Don't want it. You can have it. I don't care. Okay, there we go. Go sicko mode. Go wild. Go crazy. Go stupid. I'm meant to start fires. Promise. Hehe. I'm being told to. I'm not doing this of my own accord. Why would I ever start fires? I'm such a peaceful individual. Ah, the fish mouth open. Hello. I need this dude to drop some more mana capsules. There's one. What? Did he just hit himself? With his thingy? Nice. Wait, I have a dump. What the fuck's a dumpty egg? Damn boy, you got that dumpty egg? That's moles. What are you? An infant.
Let's go.
That's good. Like that. Kill the infant. Okay, we gained a friend. Right. Sid? What kind of name's Sid? What? I will call you my Pokemon Sid.